Alright, so we paused the video looking at these equation ones. All I said was you have to get them to have common bases so you can actually compare things. It's the only way we did anything in the problems up above. They all had common bases, either the same variable or the same number. Alright, so here I have 2 raised to some power equals 4. I need this to become a power of something. Right now it's just 4 to the first power. So the base is 4, base is 2. The easiest way to make 4 a base of 2 is note, hey, 4 equals 2 squared. So I'm just going to rewrite this as 2 to the 2x minus 1 equals 2 to the second. And now once I have the bases are the same and they're equal to each other, if the bases are the same, the exponents have to be the same. Alright, the only way for these numbers, the left hand side and the right hand side, to be the same is if their exponents are the same. So 2x minus 1 equals 2. And now I'm going to go ahead and just solve. So plus 1, 2x equals 3. That means x equals 3 over 2. All right. Now for number 15, look at that. Our bases are already together. They're both e to the x. So since the bases are the same, I can just set their exponents equal to each other. So this is going to be x equals 3x plus 8. I'm going to move the 3x over. So x minus 3x is minus 2x equals 8. I'm divide by negative 2. So x equals negative 4. Alright. So that is all I had there. And now lastly, I have number 17 here. And this one is a little tricky, but let's work through it together. So I have 2x equals 7. All right. First of all, there's no way to turn those into the same bases, right? 2 and 7 are both prime numbers. No way to turn one of them into a base. So I have to keep reading. It asks, what does 4 to the negative x equal? All right. Well, here I can change this to a new base, right? 4 is 2 squared. So 4 to the negative x is just 2 squared to the negative x. I have an exponent raised to an exponent, so I multiply them together. So that's going to be 2 to the negative 2x. All right, so I'm looking for what this equals. All right, I currently know, hey, 2x equals 7. I need to know what this 2 to the negative 2x equals. Well, the only thing different between these two is that this has just 1x, this has negative 2x, so I want to multiply this by negative 2. However, in order to multiply exponents, I need to raise them to the same power. I need to raise them to that power. So I'm going to raise the left-hand side to negative 2, and the right-hand side to negative 2 also. The reason I'm doing this, right, is now I have 2 to the x to the negative 2. Since it's an exponent raised to an exponent, you multiply them together. 2 to the negative 2x equals 7 to the negative 2. 2 to the negative 2x is really just 4 to the negative x, what we were trying to find anyways. And now I can simplify 7 to the negative 2. That just becomes, it's a negative exponent, I need to move it to the denominator. That becomes 1 over 7 squared, which is just 1 over 49. So 4 to the negative x equals 1 over 49, based on this rule here. All right. So that is the video for me for number 7. So go ahead, try 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 11, 16, and 18 on your own. I'm going to key the rest of this page and I'll upload it for you as well. But go ahead, like I said, try the rest of these problems and see how you do. All right. Once you finish all the notes, the homework is on the back of this page. So take a look at that for homework, and I will see you all tomorrow.